Alert. System breach.
Oh.
Firewall 1.
We got a problem.
What?
Someone synced a rat to one of my servers. Remote access tool. We're being hacked.
This scene excite the hell out of you as well? Makes you wonder, when will you be able to speak about security so naturally? Well, wait no more. Our exclusive cybersecurity workshop awaits. On 7th of July, we're unlocking the secrets that can take your career to new heights. Swati Laxmi leading this charge. With a master's degree from the University of Maryland and a decade-long experience in the industry, she is a mastermind in this field. Founder of an NGO Crack Learning, she has mentored 5,000+ community members. She has worked as a security researcher at big tech giants like Amazon, Microsoft. She'll unravel many industry-based scenarios and challenges of cybersecurity field like securing cloud, fortify networks, mitigation and patching. But that's just the beginning. Heard of bug bounties? She'll show you how to hunt them down, cash them in, and earn hefty rewards. How to investigate a cybercrime and trace the attackers. This isn't going to be just theory, it's hands-on, real-world labs, real-world skills. And for the grand finale, we have Capture the Flag competition, the ultimate showdown. The top players will be crowned heroes, hacking excellence, and recognition of outstanding, and they will win exciting prizes, but seats are limited. The clock ticks. Will you seize this chance? Register now. Ignite your potential. Give a boost to your career. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just a career, it's a calling. Join us.